Hello, it's Filo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, so I want to thank Stationery Pal for sending me this box full of goodies. They're having a flash sale this month and you can save up to 40% using these codes. With your order, you'll get a card, stamp marker and a small gift. My code Filo is still valid, but this month you may save more with their codes. However, don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description to support this channel at no cost to you. And don't miss their lucky draw to get a chance to win an iPhone 14 by adding a 99-cent ticket upon checkout. And now let's start with the unboxing. I always start with a treasure hunt looking for the freebies in the box. They're always adorable, plus they make for really nice little gifts for my family. So first of all, I chose this black corduroy tote bag. You may recognize it because I already have the same one in yellow and I absolutely adore it and I bring it everywhere. Then I wanted to try this little eraser dust cleaner because when I film my bullet journal videos, my floor always ends with a lot of eraser dust, and this one works beautifully. It's so satisfying. Then I was in desperate need of a glue tape, so I chose this one and the refill. If you remember from previous unboxing videos, I have this correction tape and I'm very happy with it, so I ordered a refill. Clear clips also come in handy to hold the pages while I'm filming. So of course, with all that, I needed a few boxes to hold everything in place in my drawers. As you know, I like to spice up my weeklies with a bunch of stamps, and this one especially caught my eye because the font looks funny and summery. Then of course I needed washi tape to match this summery vibe with this blue-green kind of ocean color. I just ordered a few books and I plan on reading more this summer, so I ordered those sticky notes. You may already know the colors of the first one from my previous unboxings, but this time I also ordered it in pastel tones because summer. I still don't want to highlight or write directly in my books, so I picked a bunch of items to highlight with washi tape. This one is very thin and easy to cut with your fingers, and you can remove it easily without leaving any trace. Then of course a bunch of paper sticky notes to annotate, a set in pink and beige tones, and another set in blue and green tones. I have to confess that I love the effect of paper ripped from a ring-bound notepad. Am I the only one? A paper pack, also very summery, probably more for layering in my reading journal. I love that everything is color coordinated, but you have a variety of stamps or collage, patterns, and so on. I needed big monthly calendars to keep at hand on my desk for content planning, but then I realized that there are 60 of them in this pack. So now I think I'll use them also for meal planning, like on the fridge. And now let's talk about stickers, because who has too many stickers? Not me. Those kind of albums are very useful. I've used them in my bullet journal and in my reading journal. They are color coordinated and they match any theme. This first album has a kind of color scheme or even a theme for each page, and you can either cut the stickers or rip the pages. And then these kind of albums have a color scheme each, so I picked the white one and the purple one, but there's a full collection with all the colors you may imagine. Then I also really like these kind of stickers because they add a lot of texture to your spreads. And look at that! I always find a cute little creature in all of the unboxings. Then I picked those watercolor brushstroke sticky notes. I already have them in blue and yellow, and I've used them in my reading journal as well as my bullet journal recently. More stickers because flowers are always great for spring and summer. Then I had to get the stickers with the month in calligraphy and different colors. Same with the days of the week with gradients and different fonts. More stickers with plants, butterflies and doilies. And more plants because you can put them everywhere. More days of the week, but those are smaller, so perfect for my diary. The days of the year, here you have the date and the month, but you don't have the day or the year, so you can use them any year. I also have the other design they have and I love them, so I will link them too. More dailies, but here you have 4 weeks for each color and emojis as well as weather stickers. And finally, the pens. I picked 2 Muji pens because they write so smoothly. I have to say I tested them and honestly I can't tell the difference between them, so I guess it's very personal. And And finally, a bunch of Tombow dual brush pens, because it's like the stickers, I can't have enough colors. And as you can see, here also I went for a very summery color scheme. And I'm happy to announce that I finally found the yellow and the pink that I dreamt about. And that's it for today. Thank you so much to Stationery Pal for this amazing gift, and thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me in the comments which was your favorite item and leave me this emoji. I'll see you soon in another video, and until then, enjoy planning!